channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this 3D cup. It looks pretty cool, and so for that you will need Fevicol, A4 sheet paper, scissors, some color pencils of your choice, and a black marker. So let's get started. So first, start by taking your A4 sheet paper and cutting it into a smaller piece, a rectangle. Snip, snip. Just cutting that out. Now you have to cut it even more small for the T. So now if you want, you can make this smaller or bigger than me. I wanted to make it slightly smaller, so I cut it slightly smaller. Now we are going to make an indent in the cup, because the top part of the cup is kind of curved, so it will look a little bit more realistic and 3D. So let's decorate this. Cut another square piece, we'll need that for later, so keep it aside. Now we're going to start decorating. So I choose the goldfish for my design. You can use any other design ideas what you want to, but I made goldfish and scales on the other side. So this is my design of my cup. You can use your different design of your cup. And please, if you make one of these, please send me a picture of it. So now I'm just coloring the top part in with green. I'm using light green. You can use whichever color you want. Now I'm just coloring the goldfish in yellow and scales in orange. So after that's done, we have to keep it like this so it looks like a cup. So for that, you have to fold the sides like this, like that on both sides. Then put some Fevicol on it. If you want to use Fevistick, you can, but it might not hold that well. It might fall, so you can put tape on top if you don't have Fevicol. But Fevicol, I think, works the best. So now I just stack it on and then put something inside like scissors to make it hold the shape. Now I'm just sticking and gluing. Now finally, the last step is to add the handle. So I'm making the handle like this, like an upside down S, like that. You can choose a different handle style too. So now after that, we just have to color in the handle. I'm choosing orange and yellow diagonal stripes. So I'm just coloring that in. You can choose another different color scheme for the handle if you don't want to do what I did. But if you want to do what I have made, you can do that too. Now I'm just coloring mine in, and this looks super cool and it's easy too. So please try this at home. So see. Now it's time for the last and final step, is the steam. You can totally skip this part if you don't want to add the steam, but I did add it to make it look like hot tea or coffee. So look how good and pretty this has came. Look. Wow! So thanks for watching. See you all next time. Bye bye. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell as well.